Hey guys, Vincent from Allegorithmic. So today I'm going to do a really quick tutorial in order to explain you how to import a mesh into Facebook, a 3D mesh like this. This is a brand new feature from Facebook thanks to GLTF 2.0 support. So in order to do this, what you have to do is to create a model like this one. So as you can see, it's just a really quickly model like that. And what you do is you just export like this. So you go to export textures, you choose the GLTF preset here. You make sure that the textures are not too high, or neither the texture nor your mesh, because you are limited to 3 megabytes by Facebook. So here what I'm doing, I'm just lowering a bit the texture for the base, and you export. Then you open the folder. You have a folder like this one. And let's go back to the Facebook page. Here, folder is there. So what I'm going to do is to create a new folder here. So not this one. I need to do a new one because I just tested how to do the video. So you just do Express, create a new post. You drag and drop. You have many files, but what you are going to drag and drop is the untitled, the GLB file. Sorry, you can rename it, but it's not useful. So you just wait. If it's too heavy, it will put an error, but here you see that it works. You can put a background and a small note. The second export tutorial. And that's it. You just share, you publish, sorry. And that's it. It works. You just have this. So right now you can look at it in the Substance tool group. Thanks a lot for watching and have a great day.